Hello, Assalamu alaikum. You can share my name on the screen. I am Mrs. Nilofer Ijaz. I'm your science teacher. I hope you all are fine at home and safe. We are continuing the chapter digestion. Today we are going to start the lecture number 18. We have started this lecture from the lecture number 17. Today, we are going to talk about the digestion of starch. You know what are starch? Anything which we eat and that is sweet in nature, it contains a group of food and that food is called carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are of two types. Either they are glucose or they are starch. Glucose are soluble, simple, diffusible form, while starch are found in long chain. So the digestion of starch is necessary, it is needed by the body. When we take the food which contain starch group, that is digested in 3 steps. So, whenever you take the food, Muhibur Rahman, don't raise your hand during the class. Digestion of starch, we are talking about the digestion of starch. Whenever we take the food which contains starch, it is necessary to be digested because starch molecules are large, insoluble, and indiffusible molecules. The starch digested in the following 3 steps. It takes 3 steps to digest. Number 1, a starch molecule is made up of many molecules of glucose, a simple sugar, chemically combined together or joined together. That is, what are starch? Starch are actually the simple sugar, but they are bounded in a chain. That is why it is needed to be digested. Certain type of digestive enzymes are able to split the long starch chain into smaller, shorter chain of the sugar. This is the second step. The digestive enzymes. And what are enzymes? In the previous chapter, I told you in detail, enzymes are a special kind of proteins. They do not take part directly in the chemical absorption or the reaction, but due to their presence, the rate of reaction or the speed of reaction increases. Once the enzyme, they react the starch chain, they break into shorter and smaller chains, or even they split the molecules of glucose. Once enzyme has split one part of chain, then it can be attack another part. When one enzyme it is successful in breaking one chain, it moves to the other chain. That is, the starch are now in such a form that they can move into the bloodstream. Now, सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि स्टार्च क्या चीज है? हम जो भी खाना खाते हैं उसमें जो मीठी चीज हमारे खाने में आती है, अमूमन मीठी चीज में एक फूड का ग्रुप होता है जिसे हम कार्बोहाइड्रेट कहते हैं। ये कार्बोहाइड्रेट अपने अंदर दो तरह के मॉलिक्यूल्स रखता है, आइदर दे आर स्टार्च और दे आर ग्लूकोज। या यूं समझ लें कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट दो तरह के होते हैं, या तो स्टार्च होते हैं या ग्लूकोज होते हैं। ग्लूकोज जो है वो सिंपल फॉर्म है, सॉल्युबल फॉर्म है और डिफ्यूजिबल फॉर्म है। जैसे कोई बच्चा बीमार होता है या कमजोरी होती है तो उसे ग्लूकोज पिलाते हैं तो डायरेक्टली वो ग्लूकोज उसकी बॉडी में डिसॉल्व हो जाता है, बिकॉज इट इज अ सिंपल वन, क्योंकि ये सिंपल होता है। बट द स्टार्च दे डू नॉट मूव इनटू द ब्लड स्ट्रीम। स्टार्च जो है वो ब्लड स्ट्रीम में नहीं जाते। अब हमने उन्हें खाया तो है, उनका डाइजेस्ट होना जरूरी है। स्टार्च होते क्या है? ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल एक लॉन्ग चेन बना लेते हैं, एक लंबी सी जंजीर बना लेते हैं, चेन बना लेते हैं, जिसको स्टार्च कहते हैं। These starch first digestive enzymes, they break the starch chain into the smaller or the shorter chain. पहले ये इसको स्मॉल और शॉर्टर चेन में कन्वर्ट करती है। जब एक चेन टूट जाती है, ग्लूकोज के मॉलिक्यूल उसमें से सेपरेट हो जाते हैं, दे कैन नाउ एंटर इनटू द ब्लड स्ट्रीम, सो दैट एंजाइम इट मूव टुवर्ड्स द अदर वन। ये एंजाइम अब दूसरी की तरफ मूव कर जाता है। नाउ कम टू द ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम। हाउ द स्क्रीन इज शोइंग अ क्वेश्चन, हाउ ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम वर्क्स। That how the human digestive system, whatever we take, in the behind you can see a picture of human digestive system. It is a complete human digestive system. Food first enters into our body through the mouth. Whatever we take the food, we take first into our mouth. Then nature has provided us, or the God has given us, a set of teeth. Our teeth break up the large particles of the food and tongue roll the food, and surface area increases. This allows the enzyme to come in contact with the food. Whatever we eat, first we take it into the mouth. Then our teeth. We have 4 sets of teeth. In front, chisel-shaped teeth, they are called incisors, and they are for cutting. They cut the food. Then at the side of both chisel-side teeth, sharp pointed teeth are present, and they are called canine. These canines tear the food. They are very sharp in the wild animal like cat, dog, lion, fox. They have very sharp canine teeth. Canine teeth followed by 2 types of molar, premolar and the molar. Molar and the premolar, they grind the food into smaller particles. During this breakdown, tearing or breaking of the food, enzyme mixes with the food. The gland which is present in our mouth is a salivary gland. This salivary gland, it secretes saliva. It secretes saliva. Saliva mixes with the food. And the tongue, it rolls the food. Then food passes into the next organ, which is called esophagus. From the mouth, food goes into a pipe. That pipe is called esophagus. There is no digestion in the esophagus. The esophagus is a narrow tube with strong muscles in its wall. These muscles contract and relax and produce a wave-like pattern which push the food along the esophagus to the stomach. No digestion takes place in the esophagus. The sole function of esophagus is to push the food from mouth into the stomach. Then the food comes into the next organ, which is called stomach. A stomach is a muscular bag-like portion. Its wall secretes a liquid which is called gastric juice, which is made up of hydrochloric acid, enzymes, and water. The contracted stomach muscles hold the food inside the stomach and churn it up with the enzymes and hydrochloric acid. Food may be held in the stomach for several hours. Long chains of protein molecules are broken down into shorter chain in the stomach. The HCl sorry, or the hydrochloric acid, it kills the germs which anyhow come with the food. When the food leaves the stomach, it has become a semi-liquid mass and which is released in the small amount at different intervals of the time. Here the food churns up and becomes liquid-like and passes down into next organ, which is called small intestine. A small intestine is a narrow, long tube called small intestine. Here in the small intestine, the digestion completed. The starting part of the small intestine is called duodenum, and the last part is called ileum. Inside the small intestine, finger-like projections are present, and these projections, they digested the food, and the food is passes now into the next organ, which is called large intestine. In large intestine, the food from the food, water and minerals are reabsorbed and the undigested food, it is collected by the organ which is called rectum and then it is passed out. Digestion doesn't take place without the help of enzyme. In the human digestive system, there are 4 types of digestive glands and their secretion help for the digestion of food. Number 1 is salivary gland. It produces saliva. It is found in the mouth. Number 1 is salivary gland. It produces saliva. And where it is found? It is found in the mouth. Second is gastric gland. Gastric glands are found in the stomach. They secrete renin, pepsin, and hydrochloric acid. Gastric glands are found in stomach. Where it is found? It is found in stomach. What they secrete? Renin, pepsin, and hydrochloric acid. The juice of gastric gland is called gastric juice. And that juice contains renin, pepsin, and hydrochloric acid. The third gland is liver. Liver is a biggest gland of the body. It produces a juice. That juice is called bile juice. That juice is called bile juice. This bile is collected first into a ball-like organ, and that organ is called gallbladder. This gallbladder, it releases the bile drop by drop into the food because it is very bitter in taste. So nature has designed gallbladder in such a way that a single drop by drop, this bile added into the food. The fourth gland is the pancreas, and its juice is called pancreatic juice. Now, before going to the digestive system, once again, I will let you know what are the digestive glands. Then we have two videos, one about the digestive gland and the second is about the digestive system. आपको दोनों चीजों की वीडियो देखनी है। जितना कुछ आपको लेक्चर नंबर 17 और 18 में बताया गया है, ये इन वीडियो के जरिए आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा। चार हमारी बॉडी के अंदर ग्लैंड काम करते हैं। एक सलाइवरी ग्लैंड जो हमारे माउथ के अंदर है, ये ग्लैंड जो सिक्रीट करता है उसे सलाइवा कहते हैं, जो हमारे मुंह को नरम रखता है, सॉफ्ट रखता है और ग़िज़ा में कुछ हिस्से को सॉफ्ट करने के साथ साथ डाइजेस्ट भी करता है। सेकंड ग्लैंड हमारे स्टमक में होता है और ये ग्लैंड गैस्ट्रिक ग्लैंड कहलाता है। ये तीन चीजें सेक्रीट करता है, रेनिन, पेप्सिन और हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड। जूस जो है गैस्ट्रिक ग्लैंड का, उसे हम गैस्ट्रिक जूस कहते हैं। थर्ड ग्लैंड जो है दैट इज द लीवर। लीवर जिसको आम जबान में आप कलेजी कहते हैं। इट इज द बिगेस्ट ग्लैंड ऑफ द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम। डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम का सबसे बड़ा ग्लैंड है एंड इट्स जूस इज कॉल्ड बाइल जूस। इसका जो जूस है, जो सिक्रीशन है, उसको बाइल जूस कहते हैं। बाइल जूस सिक्रीट होकर एक बॉल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर में कलेक्ट होता है। उस बॉल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर को कहते हैं गॉल ब्लैडर। आम जबान में घरों में आपने सुना होगा पित्ता, जिसको हम कहते हैं पित्ते का ऑपरेशन हो गया या पित्ते में पथरी हो गई, दैट इज द गॉल ब्लैडर। द बाइल जूस गॉल ब्लैडर में कलेक्ट होता है और कुदरत ने ऐसा डिजाइन किया है कि इट ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप इट increases in the food. Last is the gland pancreas. इसका जूस पैंक्रियाटिक जूस कहलाता है। इसमें मेन एंजाइम्स होते हैं और ये एंजाइम फूड को डाइजेस्ट करते हैं। नाउ कम टू द डॉक्यूमेंट्री ऑर्डर और वीडियो। दिस इज अबाउट Now, have you seen these two videos? And they have extra knowledge more than the 7th class grade. But after watching them, I think that the digestive system must be very much clear to all of you. If anything is in your mind, then I'll give you some time and you can ask on my chat box. Now, have you enjoyed this video? Yes or no? Let me know. The voice was slow, but I will when upload in your class, you can watch it again. Have you enjoyed it? Have you enjoyed it, Asha Javed? Have you enjoyed Zuhaib Irfan, Amna Maqsood? You all enjoyed. Yes, it is very informative. It was informative for you. In the future, I will again uh, search some more valuable and more interesting videos for you. This is the first time I selected a video. Now, you have any question? If you have any question, then you can write it and I will share you. No question. It means you understood very much. And I'm very happy that today, as I told you in the class, that be present and I'm going to show you a video. And I'm very happy that mostly you are present today and you enjoyed and you learned a lot about this diagram. I know the voice, you are complaining about the voice. I try my best to increase the voice, but that is the highest volume of that video. And when I am going to upload it in the class, then you will check it again, you can see it again. Can I ask some question? We have little time. We have little time. How many type of digestion is found in the man? 2 type, 3 type or 4 type? How many type of digestion या यू कह रहे हैं डाइजेशन कितनी तरह का होता है? 2 type, 3 type or 4 type? Aisha Javed quickly answered and it is a correct answer. Aisha Javed, very good, very quickly you have given me the answer. And Nusaba, think about it. How many types the digestion is? I told you. Sharos, very good. Your answer is correct. Now I am giving the answer. 2 types of digestion is found in the human being. One is chemical digestion and the second is mechanical digestion. Good. Very good. Sharos, very good. You are taking interest. Now, we have take food in the form of rice, chapati, bread, chicken, mutton, beef. Let me know which group is in chapati or rice. You have studied the group of food, 6, 7 group I told you. Carbohydrate, fat, protein, minerals. What is present in the rice and chapati or bread or like that? Very good. Aisha Javed, your answer is correct. Noseba, very good. Your answer is correct. Muhammad Ali, no beta. Fibers are not carbohydrate. Zainab, your answer is correct. Cheroz, your answer is correct. Aisha Hassan, your answer is correct. Iman Rashid, you have not given me the answer, but your name is on for your roll number. With your roll number, kindly write the answer. Ayman Jahan Mughal, protein, beta no. Carbohydrate group is found in the rice, chapati, bread, sweets, candy, chocolates, jam, jelly, ice cream. They contain carbohydrate. Now, when your mother gives you some curry and the curry is made up of chicken, beef or mutton, which type of group is present in the chicken, beef or mutton? Which group is present? Now listen carefully. When your mother gives you some curry to eat, if the curry is composed of, made up of, Ayman Jahan Mughal, your answer is correct. Aisha Javed, your answer is correct. The chicken, mutton, beef or fish contain which group of food? Halima, think about again. Your answer for this question is wrong. Halima Taib, this is the answer of first. Charos, correct answer. Rida Rahim, your answer correct. Kainat, your answer is correct. Zainab, your answer is correct. Noseba, your answer is correct. Very good. You are taking very interest, and this is a very good sign that you are coming towards the learning side and you are taking interest in your study. I am very happy. I am very glad with your answers that you are giving me very quickly. Your answers are coming and they are correct, right? Now once again, I will let you know that all the sweet things and wheat, rice, chapati, bread, buns, they contain carbohydrate, and all kind of meat, that is the chicken, beef, mutton, prawn, fish, they contain protein. Now, the curry is made by your mother, has some oil or the ghee, right? She cooked the food in the oil or the ghee. Which group is present in oil or ghee? Which food group is present? Which food group is present in the oil and ghee? Very quickly you answered. Zainab, correct answer. Sayyida Aisha, correct answer. Nusaiba, correct answer. Shehroz, correct answer. Muhammad Ali, correct answer. Kainat Rashid, your answer is correct. Aisha Javed, your answer is correct. Iman Rashid, you are not writing anything. What's wrong with you? Write it. Now, these are the correct answer. Rida Rahim, Halima Tahir. Halima Tahir, again you are writing something else. And I'm not going to tell you because this is a very common question. Afra, your answer is correct. Very good. This food group is fat, not vitamins. Vitamins are found in vegetables and the fruits. Mainly it is found in the vegetables and the fruits. Halima Taib, no problem, beta, no problem. When you will again see the video and the lecture, you will got the answer, no problem. And how many glands you have studied? How many glands you have studied? 3 or 4? 3 or 4? 3 or 4? I am not asking about 7. How many glands I told you? 3 or 4? Answer of Aisha Javed is correct. Shehroz, your answer is correct. Nusaiba, this is not a correct answer. I told you how many glands are present. Muhammad Ali, this is not a correct answer. I told you the 4 glands. Again, I am telling you the name. In the mouth, salivary gland. In the stomach, gastric gland. Number 3, liver. And number 4 is pancreas. Zainab, again I am telling you, 4 type of glands are present. Salivary gland in the mouth, gastric gland in the stomach, liver and pancreas. 4 glands are present, right? And in the video, they were discussing about the 3. They have not told you about the gastric gland. They are talking about the 3 glands, saliva, liver and pancreas. But the 4th gland is the gastric gland or the wall of intestinal stomach. It secretes a juice. They contain enzyme. What is the length of the alimentary canal in an adult? 9 meter, 12 meter or 13 meter? What is the length of alimentary canal in human being? Come on, hurry up. We have only 1 minute to go. Give me the answer. 9 meter, 12 meter or 14 meter. In an adult, 7 to 9 meter is the correct answer. 7 meter is written in our book, and in the video they were telling you about the 9 meter. And these are the questions which I asked you. In the next lecture, I will give you some more information about the digestive system. They are beyond the class. These informations are beyond the class. It means कि वो informations होंगी जो आपको पता होनी चाहिए लेकिन आपकी बुक से बाहर हैं वो सारे lecture 19 and 20